Luotsikatu. Silence takes say, but we can film one example.
Yeah.
Glazed indoors. It's in Katajanokka, then Helsinki has Luotsikatu, Finland. But we still have to film the one on Klumbergsgatan, the antique one. I hope we can get that.
Yeah.
Because these white versus diagrams added in 2009. This is before one.
Yeah.
Okay, we can go. And it has a window also.
Yeah.
It's actually a little bit better than the previous in the building 9.
Yeah.
Because there's a window.
Yeah.
I mean, three windows.
Mm.
So they made it almost scenic. Or glass. It's glass in the way.
Yeah.
Zero is K050997A. But they should have chosen Kony here.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected the next year, 2023. Like that sign for opening the doors.
Yeah.
It's earlier Amslift. What are the earliest we've seen after Amsler? Is it 2006?
No problem.
Yeah. And got art in the shaft also.
Yeah.
You can see it. Cool. That's a good reason they made the door glass on the other side.
Yeah.
Here's the top 5th floor.
Yeah.
Now, of course, these residential buildings are very wonderful in Katajanokka, but unfortunately, elevator-wise, they are a disappointment.
Yeah.
They're too few, but we filmed one on building 16.
Yeah.
Which has Koniami 1997. Right now, what we found that we haven't seen before.
Yeah.
Still antique, and then there's one more which is unknown.
Yeah.
As they say, like the building there, you remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. So here they are, but they're very few.
Yeah.
And I filmed those 1968 ones also. 2 added ones.
Yeah.
And then MP8 for 1985 and those others.
Mm.
And then the Scenic Grand Marina, of course.
Yeah.
And then back to the first floor. Or you can.
Streetparkilines, maintained by Espoon Hissi.
This edition will be 15 years old in 2024. Is the ventilation? Or
Yeah.
yeah. Mm. All those have that sign.
Yeah.
They're a bit similar to those, Valmethodis from late 1980s. Same idea.
Yeah.
So that's it. But really, they should have chosen Kony.
Yeah. That's